Hi guys, so today I will show you how to keep the dishwasher in a good shape by cleaning it. There's filters in these dishwashers. Some of them are very easy to access, some of them they're more complicated. So this one is a very common one, a Whirlpool. First of all the manufacturers, they recommend to scrape the dishes before you put them in to prevent the cloggage and some other stuff, gumming stuff, getting into the system and ruining your dishwasher. So very easy, just scrape the dishes, rinse them before you put them in. It takes a couple seconds, and then you solve a lot of troubles in the future. And if you do miss something sometimes, so there are filters in here. It is easy to access. It's made for users. So you just unscrew it, put it aside, clean it if you need. This one is a little bit clogged, but you can easily wash it and check by taking the mesh off. This dishwasher is not too bad. It's pretty clean, so people are doing a great job. It prevents a lot of troubles, and it's having a better cleaning ability without recirculating all this crappy stuff in the dishwasher. And this one particular, the gaskets, we've been replacing the door gaskets on these ones, seals. Very easy, straightforward. So you just pull it out and get a new one in. It's a pushing gasket. Shouldn't be too much troubles. If you still don't feel confident replacing it or diagnosing if that's what you need to replace, so you can give us a call for service. And basically it's a straightforward Whirlpool dishwasher. Same thing with the spray arms. All these nozzles are getting clogged most of the time because the people forget to scrape the dishes, or they don't feel like they want to do it, so they end up having these nozzles clogged and not circulating dishwasher. Some of them, they have two spray arms like this one, very good setup. Some of them, they have the third one on the top here, and this one is two spray arms, bottom and upper rack. Very too easy to maintain and doing a great performance.